Could one tree really hold the secret to better health, glowing skin, and endless energy? Meet Moringa, the miracle plant that's taking the world by storm. Packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and countless benefits, Moringa has earned its spot as one of the most talked about superfoods today. Stay tuned as we uncover why everyone is raving about Moringa. Plus, we'll answer your most burning questions at the end about this incredible plant, so don't miss it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel. All right, let's get started. What is Moringa? Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or tree of life, grows in tropical and subtropical regions. Every part of this plant, leaves, seeds, pods, and even the bark, is packed with nutrients. People have been using it for centuries to improve their health. But why is it suddenly so popular? Let's find out. Nutritional powerhouse. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. It's like nature's multivitamin, all in one plant. Just 1 cup of fresh leaves contains vitamin C, more than oranges, for a strong immune system. Calcium, higher than milk to keep your bones strong. Potassium, more than bananas to help your muscles work better. Protein. Yes, Moringa is plant-based protein that's easy to digest. Antioxidant superpower. Moringa is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These powerful compounds fight free radicals, which can damage your cells and speed up aging. That means Moringa can help protect your skin, heart, and even your brain. It's no wonder Moringa is often called a beauty booster. It keeps you looking and feeling young. Energy booster without the jitters. Tired of caffeine crashes? Moringa gives you natural energy without the jitters. It's rich in iron and magnesium, which support your energy levels and fight fatigue. Whether you're chasing kids around, working long hours, or hitting the gym, Moringa has your back. Weight loss friendly. Trying to shed a few pounds? Moringa is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Its fiber helps you feel full longer, while its antioxidants support healthy metabolism. Just a teaspoon of Moringa powder can make a big difference. A natural detoxifier. Moringa is a natural detoxifier. Its chlorophyll helps cleanse your liver, while its fiber sweeps toxins out of your digestive system. Think of it as a gentle reset for your body. Whether you've indulged in junk food or just want to refresh, Moringa can help you feel your best. Strengthens immunity. Want to avoid catching every cold or flu going around? Moringa's high vitamin C and other immune-boosting nutrients strengthen your body's defenses. It's like building a fortress around your immune system. In many cultures, Moringa is used during recovery from illnesses because of its incredible healing properties. Improves digestion. Struggling with bloating or constipation? Moringa's fiber and anti-inflammatory properties can soothe your digestive system. It helps food move smoothly through your gut, leaving you feeling light and comfortable. From teas to powders, Moringa is a natural solution to better digestion. Supports heart health. Moringa works wonders for your heart. It lowers bad cholesterol, reduces blood pressure, and improves overall cardiovascular health. Plus, the potassium in Moringa keeps your blood pressure stable. Add it to your meals to show your heart some love. How to use Moringa every day. Adding Moringa to your routine is easy and delicious. Here are some ideas. Smoothies. Blend Moringa powder with fruits for a green boost. Soups and stews. Add fresh or dried leaves for extra nutrition. Tea. Brew Moringa leaves for a calming, health-boosting drink. Capsules. Take them on the go for quick convenience. And now it's time for your Moringa questions. Can I take Moringa every day? Yes. Moringa is safe for daily use. Start with a small amount, like half a teaspoon of powder, and increase as needed. What does Moringa taste like? It has a mild, earthy flavor, similar to spinach or matcha. It blends well with sweet or savory dishes. Are there any side effects? Moringa is generally safe, but taking too much can upset your stomach. Stick to recommended amounts and consult your doctor if you're pregnant or taking medications. Can kids take Moringa? Absolutely. Moringa is safe for children and can be added to their meals for extra nutrients. Where can I buy Moringa? Moringa is widely available in health stores, online, and even in some supermarkets. Look for organic options to get the best quality. There you have it, the many reasons why Moringa is becoming so popular. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.